Thank you for buying this 15964 entry door handle from Fixture Displays. This handle comes with a lock and 3 keys. The handle itself is about 4.7 inches long, made from zinc alloy, plated with a brushed stainless steel finish. And the inside has sturdier metal. This piece is adjustable, so it fits different door frames. The detailed adjustable wrench is mentioned in the product description. I want to demonstrate how the pieces fit together. So this goes through the center piece. And then the other side mirrors it. And then you fasten with 2 screws. The adjustable wrench for the center mechanism is from 2.3 to 2.7 inches. So you can put the handle closer to the door frame or further away, depending on particular situation. So these different demonstrations show you the key can overcome the inside locking knob. You can install this for your entry door, exterior door, or you can also use this for privacy doors. The wood screws work on the door or frame brackets. These plates come with the protective film. We should peel them off after installation. If you have any questions, feel free to let us know. Our email address is cs@fixturedisplays.com. In addition to the entry door handle, we also have passage, closet, and privacy door handles. This particular add-on clip is for demonstration of how to remove the handle and change the orientation. We couldn't pull it out without a little trick. The trick is use the pin to push it in, then you can remove the handle. The other piece is the same principle. Once you have the handles off, you can change the orientation to open on the left or on the right. I encourage you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. If you have a custom project, we love the opportunity to work for you. Not only hardware, we also supply millwork, doors, windows, closets, cabinets, countertops, and so on. I hope you enjoyed this product and this video. Do like us, subscribe, remember leave a good seller feedback along with the product review. Thank you once again for shopping Fixture Displays.